Hello, everyone. Today is a very special day. Tonight is Shabbat, which is Shabbos. And this special Shabbos is called Shabbat Chazon. It's a time that we see the temple, the future temple that will be rebuilt very, very soon. This is the time before Tisha B'Av, which is Saturday night to Sunday night. It's a time that we fast, we don't eat, we don't drink, and we mourn the temple. A time for mourning is also a time for rebuilding. A time for mourning is also a time to rejuvenate yourself and know that beautiful things can happen, like a seed. When you put it into the ground, it decomposes. Yes, it's gone, but guess what? Beautiful things come out of it, including trees, flowers, grass, whatever you planted will come out, but it has to decompose first. So yes, the temples were destroyed, but that's why it's an opportunity for regrowth. And may we see a beautiful regrowth very, very soon, speedily in our days, and have a wonderful, wonderful week and a wonderful, wonderful Shabbos. And Mashiach now.